Here at Bekaert, we get the question a lot about installing fence on uneven terrain. It all starts, Van, with good strong braces.
Absolutely, that is the heart and the foundation of every great fence, Keith. We want to set a significant post at the crown of every hill, every low point we have, as well as at any break or change in transition in terrain, Keith.
And Van, always the larger vertical stay spacings always adhere to the ground a lot better than the tighter vertical stay spacings. The 1348-12 Solidlock is going to adhere to rough terrain a lot better than the 2x4 Horseman will.
Absolutely, and you've got more flexibility in that fence with the fewer stays. It's also important that when you staple that fence, Keith, you don't start at the end and work all the way down. You want to go to all your high points, lift the fence up, then your low points and pull your fence down, and then staple everything in between. If you try to start on one end and go through, you'll never pick that fence up when you get to the top.
Check us out at fencing.bekaert.com. Hit that Ask the Fence Pro section and let us help you with your next fencing project.